Hi everyone. Tonight for supper I will be making dirty martini potato salad. What all goes into the dirty martini potato salad? 3 pounds potatoes peeled and chopped. This is 5 pounds, so I won't be using it all. 1 cup mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1/4 cup olive juice, 1 tablespoon vodka, 2 tablespoons chives, 1 teaspoon celery seed, and 1 cup green martini olives, sliced or chopped, 1/2 cup blue cheese crumbled, it's already crumbled, kosher salt, freshly ground pepper to taste. So let's begin. So take a large pot, put your potatoes in, cover it with cold salted water about 1 inch above the potatoes, then cover it. Bring it up to a boil and then let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes until tender. While the potatoes are cooking, take your 1 cup of mayonnaise, put it in a large bowl. The 2 tablespoons of olive oil, the 1/4 cup of the olive juice, that was just from the jar of olives, the 1 tablespoon of vodka, and you could probably, if you don't use vodka, you could probably use apple cider vinegar or something like that. 2 tablespoons of chives, and I did not chop them up real fine, and the 1 teaspoon of celery seed. And whisk that until thoroughly blended. Then add salt and pepper to taste. And that's the freshly ground pepper. And the kosher salt. And mix that in. And set it aside. After they are fork tender, drain the potatoes. After you drain the potatoes, add them to the sauce. Did not tell me to let them cool first, so I didn't. And I'm giving them a mix so they all get covered. Then add your 1 cup sliced or chopped martini olives. They are just huge olives, and the 1/2 cup of crumbled blue cheese, and mix that up. Then let it chill in the refrigerator until you're ready to serve. I'm going to cover it with aluminum foil or a lid if you have one. So here is the dirty martini potato salad, and rounding out the meal is chicken. Let's see what Dave thinks.
I'm assuming.
You're correct.
I was trying to decide if that was an olive or a jalapeno first.
That is dirty martini potato salad.
Martini. That what you bought the vodka for?
Yeah. Although I think martini actually has gin in it, but yeah, that's why I bought the vodka.
See, I never know these things. I just have to guess as I go. That's pretty good. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.